to Ubud with a friend I met in the surf camp. Our arms are so sore from surfing. We've been surfing for 5 days straight and we need a little rest. So the good thing about staying in Uluwatu is that everything is kind of close. So we're just gonna go to Ubud to see some waterfalls and then come back. After a few stairs, there's actually a room here, so you can eat something or drink something. Pretty nice. And it's super cheap. And here's a waterfall. Wow. We are just leaving now. It was awesome. It's amazing for me to be like only 2 hours away of the camp and can see this. It's so fun because you can jump, you can play around with the waterfall. It's not just looking at it, and it's beautiful. There was no one there, just us. And now that there's more people coming, we decided to go to the rice fields. So let's go! We're on our way to the rice fields! Yay! Just arrived to the rice fields and it's incredible. Look at this. Dale. And we are eating this sandwich here. Carlota is having the best time of her life. And after a full day out, we're going back to the camp and we're probably gonna make it for dinner. So let's go surfing tomorrow. We're ready to surf tomorrow. We made it for dinner.